Hello, this is Blake with Stands Out. If you've broken a nut, you don't need a whole new stand. Not to worry, there's an easy way to fix the problem. The first thing you will need to do is get a new nut from Stands Out. Call our hotline at 855-STANDS-OUT or go to our website at www.standsout.com and let us know that you need another nut. To replace the nut, you'll need to first remove the gooseneck from the telescoping tube. Unscrew the tightening collar completely and remove the gooseneck from the larger tube attached to the V-base. Next, using the hex wrench that came with the Standzfree, remove the bolt at the end of the gooseneck. Then remove all plastic parts from the Standzfree neck. Slide the broken nut off the net and replace it with the new nut. Make sure that the new nut is oriented so that the threads face the top of the stand. Replace all parts in the same order that you took them off and reinsert the gooseneck back into the extension tube. The final step is to attach the iPad or universal holder into place, thread the plastic nut, and tighten by hand. The nut should be snug, but there is no need to over-tighten, as you already found out. Check out www.standsout.com for more information and for the best iPad and tablet stands on the market. Be sure to like us on Facebook and connect with us on Twitter. Thanks for watching.